So customer says, oh, I cleaned the PCM. It looks clean, right? I mean, it looks pretty good, naked eye. You put it under here, and you can still see all the traces of silicone that were left on the contacts. This is where we have the issue. So the customer did not use the brass brush on this to get the silicone off, because there's still a lot of silicone in between each of the traces. And then you can see the cloudy parts here is where there's still silicone on each one of the contacts. If they'd used the brass brush, it would have gotten all that off. He clearly used the Scotch-Brite pad because the ends have lost the tinning, and then there's copper showing through. This is why it's extremely important to use the brass brush. It gets all that stuff off. It does not remove the tinning from the contacts, and you'll have a much, much cleaner contact to install the chip on. So this is after cleaning with the brass brush, and you can see there's some light scratches in the tinning, but all of the silicone that was in between the contacts is gone, and all of the cloudy spots that were on the contacts themselves are gone, and now they're just one solid smooth color. All of the silicone has been removed. This is just after using the brass brush. This is not even using the Scotch-Brite pad. And I will use the Scotch-Brite pad just for a quick little buff. But overall, if you just clean it with the brass brush, that's all you need to do.